Hi, I'm Jonathan, this is Mohammed, this is Elise, this is Stu. Together we made Whatever.watch. It is the antidote to indecision when deciding what to watch on Netflix and what to eat on your night in. Please enjoy a demo.
Hello, my name's Stu. I've just finished my 9 weeks of intensive training at Wagon, and I'm now basically Saturday morning. I'm very hungover, can't really use my brain anymore, it's just completely out of service. So I just want a nice easy Saturday where I have a fun day, don't have to think about anything at all. And a friend just recommended me this site, Whatever.watch, where basically you can just go on there and it will recommend you a film and then it will basically give you something to cook. And let's give it a go. Alright, so let's have a look through this landing page. Can't figure out what to cook and what to watch on your night in. Yeah, let's go with whatever. Find the perfect film for your mood. Well, we'll see about that. I mean, she looks pretty happy, but we'll see. Fridge full of food, but no idea what to make. Yeah, that is actually quite a big problem for me. Always end up throwing away food because I never know what to make. Alright, let's begin our journey. Okay, what have we got here? Welcome to your movie finding journey. I don't have friends, I got family. Oh, so that's action. What else have we got? What's in the box? It's a thriller, that makes sense. Show my party, yeah, it's got to be fantasy. Nah, but I feel like I'm watching crime, right? So, filter movie based on release year. Well, we all know that best gangster movies were pretty much the 70s till about, when was it? Probably like the 90s, mid-90s, Goodfellas, right? When was that? Like 96. I'm not super hungry, so I'll probably have not a whole lot of food. Something like that, yeah. And you know what? I'm hungover. I don't care about diet at the moment. See what we can get. Oh, that wasn't really good. I'm not sure why that happened. Oh well. Let's try that again. Right. So where we? Oh yeah, we're going to do the mid-90s till. Yeah, that works now. Let's do less calories. See what we get. There we go. Oh, Usual Suspects. That is good film, but that is pretty long, and we all know who Kaiser Sose is, so I don't know if I actually want to watch that. And what have we got? We've got homemade garlic and basil French fries. Now I need something a bit more, don't I? Let's go back, try again. I think that's a bit too heavy for now, isn't it? I don't really want to watch a crime film. Let's watch something easy, like an animation. And let's watch something new, because older animation can be a little bit crap sometimes. Let's try, yeah, we'll say like, yeah, 2011 onwards. I need a bit more food, I reckon. Actually, you know what, after that drinking that we're doing this night, I need to worry about my gluten. Too much beer gets me a little bit ill. And maybe cut out the dairy as well, because honestly, it's just not great next day. Okay, so we've got Luca. What's this? Italian Riviera. Also sea monsters and pasta. That sounds amazing. And what have we got? African chicken peanut stew. Let's have a look. What have we got? We need some peppers, chicken. Yeah. You know what? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've got all of that in my fridge. So that's perfect. All right. Should we go and let's have a look? All right. Should we start playing the movie, and we'll have a little chat with some people. Is this film any good? Hopefully someone will reply. Oh! The animation is A+, but the jokes fall flat. What are you eating with it? What are we having? We're having peanut curry or something. Peanut stew? Peanut stew. I've got no sound for some reason. Oh, there is sound somewhere. I can hear singing. Oh, here we go. What have we had? I made that last week. Really good recipe. Just make sure not to add too much spice. Oh, someone loves a bit of spice. Right. Oh, poor lambs. Yeah. Right. Well, yeah. I thought the chat stayed relatively tame for the internet. It's still going on. Right. I am just getting into the movie now. Thanks. Yeah, and fast forward an hour and 30, however many minutes, hour and 35 minutes. What an amazing movie we just watched. Wasn't that great? And a transformative experience with our peanut curry. I feel like the world needs to hear about this. So let's go make a little pairing, and we'll let the world know about how amazing our night in was with Luca. Was it Luca? And we had peanut with African peanut stew, I think. That's how you spell peanuts, right? Yeah, there we go. So the world can now know about this amazing combo, and they can enjoy such other things as Silence of the Lambs with liver. Maybe a little bit too dark. The Godfather with some meatballs. Apocalypse Now with some pho. Interstellar with moon pies. I don't even know what moon pies are. What is that? Is that cake? Yeah, that's cake. Well, either way. Yeah. Thanks very much.